Hey again, awesome coders. Welcome back to Code with Sachi. I'm your code buddy, and if you caught our last video, you now know that programming is all about giving instructions to computers. Trust me, this is where the fun really begins. Ready to say hello to Python? Let's go. You wouldn't start with a race car, right? You'd pick something easy to handle. Python is like the super friendly, easy-to-drive car of the programming world. Today, we're retaking our very first step into the exciting world of actual coding by meeting a super friendly programming language called Python. So, out of all the programming languages out there, why are we starting with Python? Well, think of it like learning to drive. Here's why it's awesome for beginners like us. First off, it's really easy to read and write. Its code looks a lot like plain English, which makes it less intimidating when you're just starting out. Second, it's incredibly versatile. You can use Python for pretty much anything. Building websites, analyzing data, making games, automating tasks, even powering AI. It's everywhere. And finally, it has a huge, supportive community. That means if you ever get stuck, there are tons of resources and people ready to help you out. It's literally telling the computer, print out this message. You've just given your computer an instruction, and it followed it perfectly. And if you're into artificial intelligence or machine learning, Python is the absolute king there. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. So, what kind of cool stuff is actually built with Python? You might be surprised. Let's actually see what writing Python code looks like. Remember how we said programming is giving instructions? And make sure you resubscribe to Code with Sachi, so you do unmiss our next video on setting up Python. You won't need anything fancy, just your computer and an internet connection. What about scrolling through Instagram? Python's under the hood there too. Ever watched videos on YouTube? Yep, Python is a big part of what makes YouTube run. It's also the go-to language for scientists and data analysts who need to make sense of huge amounts of information. Even things like automating repetitive tasks on your computer or building simple games. Python can do it all. It's like a Swiss Army knife for coders. Alright, enough talk. Python has a super simple instruction for showing text on the screen. It's called print. See, we type print, then, inside the parentheses and quotation marks, we put the text we want the computer to show. And just like that, you've written your very first line of Python code. How cool is that? To start writing your own Python code, you'll need to set up a few things on your computer. In our very next video, I'll walk you through the super simple steps to install Python on your computer and get your coding environment ready. Once that's done, we can dive deeper into Python and start building some truly awesome projects together. So, that's your quick introduction to Python, your new best friend in the programming world. I'm really excited for what we'll build together. If this video got you pumped to learn Python, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment below if you have any questions. See you there, and happy coding!